In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Following that, select OK in the pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu right away. Now you need to edit your menu by hitting Edit button at the bottom. Scroll all the way down to look for Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, add it to your current ones. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner and click on your new shortcut. Following that, use this switcher next to allow modifying system settings, go back and click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!